Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Boxy Girls, Season 2, and Pets. We found the dolls at Walmart for $14.94. This is Hannah, Mila, and Kiki. Each doll includes 5 shipping boxes, so you can unbox fashion surprises and makeup, shoes, bags, and more. On the back of the box, there is a picture of the different seasons and the limited edition dolls. Here is Season 1 and Season 2. We're still missing Hazel. And here is a look at the dolls for Season 3. At the very bottom, we have the limited edition, Everly and Stevie. This box belongs to Mila, who has a penchant for high-end stuff and animal-themed fashion. You'll always find her cruising down Sunset Boulevard on the hunt for the latest couture unicorn fashion. Hannah is all about peace, love, and hippie fashion. She's a total boss at rocking flare pants and crop tops. This groovy gypsy is always on the lookout for flower power accessories. Konnichiwa, aka hello from Kiki. Kiki hearts Japanese fashion, especially when it's candy themed. You'll always find her shopping Tokyo streets for the latest Harajuku trends. Let's get these girls out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, Kiki has pink hair, freckles, and lavender eyes. She wears a blue one-shouldered dress with ruffles and printed sprinkles with a pair of white shoes. Boxy girls are pretty good at balancing, which is great for doll photos. Now let's see what's in the boxes. These boxes have blue stripes. Last season they were pink. On the shipping label, it looks like someone marked out information with a Sharpie. That is adorable. Now let's open this tiny little box. And inside we have a cell phone. It's a pink cell phone with a black bow on the back. We're opening a larger box now. And this looks like, ooh, shoes. Love shoes. They are white with blue and yellow details. I really hope we get some adorable purses. This is... ooh, a scarf. Wait, no, it's not a scarf. It's pink stockings with little specks of glitter. So far, I really like her surprises. Let's see what this is. Earrings and a necklace to match the pink glasses that she comes with. Please let this be a cute candy purse. And it is... oh, it's ice cream, not candy, but I'll take it. Perfect for her sprinkled dress. Mila is up next. She has light brown hair with bangs, orange eyes, wears a cat ear headband, a pink dress with a ruffle skirt, and silver shoes. I am hoping this is another cell phone. Kiki's cell phone was so cute. So let's see what this is. It feels like a cell phone. And it is a unicorn cell phone. Now for the fashion surprises. Pink jelly shoes with unicorn horn heels. In our second box, I think it's a purse. Yes! It is a unicorn purse. We have a purse, shoes, and a cell phone. What could this be? It is a unicorn necklace and long earrings. Mila's last box is another purse. Yes! This is a pink heart-shaped purse with a bow in the middle. Hannah, it's your turn. She has long brown hair that is styled in 2 pigtails, wears a flower crown, a red top with a bow, animal print pants, and a pair of pink shoes. I am pretty certain this is a cell phone. Nope, I was wrong. It's earrings. Wrong again. They look like wireless earbuds. So the little box doesn't always mean cell phone. Good to know. This is Ooh, shoes. We have a pair of yellow shoes, hoping for a cute purse. I love the purses. And this is a purse. Oh, that's kind of cute. I wonder what this is. A bracelet and flower earrings. Unfortunately, it looks like I have the same earring. Like I don't have opposites to go on either side of her head. So now one faces forward and the other back. Aww. Unless that's how it's supposed to be. In Hannah's last box, we have, hopefully, the other earring. And no, it's a purse. Oh, but it's cute, and you know I love purses. A white flower purse with a yellow center. At Walmart, we also found Boxy Girl Pets, where you can unbox pet shoes, clothes, and more. It says Unbox 4+ fashion surprises, includes 2 shipping boxes. The name of the pet is at the top, and it tells you which Boxy Girl it belongs to. This is Stripes, Stevie's pet cat, who hearts pulling the yarn out of Stevie's sweaters. Oh, that's a big no. They are for ages 6 and up. I can never get the tab to work. Okay, there we go. And let's see. Pretty easy to unbox. Our Stripes is a solid gray cat. Doesn't actually have any stripes. Is less than 2 inches tall and can move at the head. That's cool. In our tiny box, we have a collar and shoes. In the larger box, a cat bed and a bowl. This is Lulu Everly's stylish monkey. She is a golden tan and comes with a banana, a purple vest, matching hat, and a leaf bed. Violet is Nomi's pet bird. She loves to sing. Look, she can fit on the doll's hand. She comes with a ball and a perch, which really helps out, and a helmet, which is kind of difficult to remove. Buttons is Brooklyn's pet, and she hearts bows just like Brooklyn. Buttons has a cute little spot over one eye, comes with a collar, a bandana, a bowl, and a bone. Willa has a pet hamster named Yummy who hearts yummy treats. It is a yellow hamster with a white belly. It comes with a bow tie and a bowl with a little food inside. If this is a tiny hamster cage, I am going to scream. Oh, it's a water dispenser. Oh, that's cute too. And a baseball cap. Riley has a pet bunny named Fluffy, and it is a cheerful little bunny that hearts anything purple. The bunny has yellow ears. She comes with a purple collar and a carrot, a little bonnet, and a bed. These pets could totally hang out with our littlest pet shops and share accessories. I love mixing up different brands, especially when it comes to dolls. Mila has a new skin tone. It has a little more red in it. She might be a good match for our unicorn-loving hair-dorable Willow. I just so happen to have a double. Everyone, say it with me. You know this was about to happen. Boxy Dorables are the perfect mashup. Off with their heads.
Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are?
And here is Willow, our boxy hair-dorable. It's not a perfect match, but it is very close. The boxy girl fits the hair-dorable body, so we still have 2 usable dolls. Boxy girls are articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, wrist, hip, and knee, so they can give articulation to some of our smaller dolls. And their packaging is super cute. Their inserts have a fun print and there are no holes in it, so we can use them to make a display. Craft time! Take the insert from the box, cut off the tabs, so you have the back wall and one of the sides. Cut strips of foam board, and remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. Glue them around the edges. We can add scrapbook paper to the bottom for the floor before gluing it on to make a shadow box with a fun background where we can display our doll. These are very light, so you can use push pins to attach it to a wall and turn your doll collection into a work of art. I really gotta find the last doll. And then our Wave 2 collection will be complete. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Boxy Girls and Boxy Pets. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
Don't you